Habaikiran Meghalaya kubor Menteri Sarkar Umar Kuis Marak ulong ba kakenhon Menteri Kebelekendo haka arpunyo terik unaitung ahrajar arpun Rio. Kelajeng menjor ke Meghalaya Electric Vehicle Policy ahrajar arpun Rio ban pensil regi padba ban pedan kamno degi kali kebayat ke boarding elektrik. Bagi Sarkar kan ai gijing mentoy ke ba arpusan hajar tengka yang man lagi beriu kebetiet yakini kali. Bad an plat pura ya ke bayar register yakini kali elektrik. Ula pentip bagi jela mentak keladon pelat san hajar teligi kali elektrik balak midenti balang bagan ke polisi. Kesenang penbon cucu kejingdan ki kali kebayat ke boarding elektrik haga bagi padba akan pedankam hakeleng ki benta ke jela. Menteri ula penpau ba ke Sarkar kami isatia bandan kanu kejing na ke benta banbo ya ki charging station na ke benta kini ki kali. Kakanun Menteri kelekeren ru halor ka vehicle scrappage policy balapan mi jimber bena hakas nambalale.
So, Cabinet has approved this electric vehicle policy 2026. Government of Meghalaya is promoting our people to go for electric vehicles. So, therefore, Cabinet has approved the compensation of around 25,000 whoever is going for an electric vehicle. 25,000 will be given as an incentive, and also free registration will be given. Totally the registration charge will not be required. So government has already decided for that, and yes, that's it. Anybody who is going for an electric vehicle will be getting the incentive of 25,000 plus registration fee free. There are a good number of people who have come up for the electric vehicles. Exact number I'm not remembering. There are district wise report which was given there. The network is not working. More than 5,000 I think is there. Now government is encouraging the people to go for electric vehicles, and that is the reason why incentives are being given, 25,000 per vehicle, and also registration fee will be totally free. And government is working on certain numbers like scrappage. We have already came up with scrappage policy last year, and whoever comes up with scrappage policy certificate to get a new electric vehicle will be getting some some kind of an incentive there again, but that will be decided later on. But government has already discussed, cabinet has already discussed this issue also. So there will be lots of incentives if any person is going for an electric vehicle.
What about the charging points?
Charging points are not that difficult. Charging points can be met at any place. In your house also you can make a charging points. But if you are going for a commercial charging points, government has already located some stations, some places where charging points will be installed. It is covered for 4-wheel, 3-wheel, and 2 wheels also. There are different incentives for that. Our people are yet to adopt to this policy now. It was passed very recently, so therefore it's taking time. But our neighboring states, Assam, they have already started this, and they have the scrappage stations also. If your old vehicles, which is older than 15 years, if you take that vehicle to the scrappage station and if you scrap there, you'll get a certificate. And if you produce the certificate to the registering authority or district transport officer, you'll be getting that incentive.